Well, going guys, it's Tito. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be talking about my options network, or as you guys know it, the profit chat. I always talk about this at the end of my videos, whether it may be talking about stocks or whatever it is. But most of you guys DM me not knowing actually like what it's on, what it actually is, what it entails, things like that. So I'll pretty much go through it. The chat is on Telegram, the messaging app, and it's $100 entry fee. That's it. It's a one-time fee, lifetime. Never gonna ask you again, and you're just in the chat for life. So basically there's about 50 people in there now, and we all talk about options, and usually every day I'll send a possible play that so you can get profit for like whatever, how long you hold it. And it's I'm not God, I'm not gonna say every single play works, but people have made a lot of money in the chat. So it'll really help, and you have beginners to experienced traders in there, and I'm also going to be there to help. I'm in the chat. I just love talking to the people and make a nice little family type thing in the chat. And I really like this because it's not a course or something you have to sell, but it's just a chat. It's with one-time entry fee of $100, and literally we just have fun and trade options and teach each other and how to get better. If you're interested in joining, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at LoveTito or email me at twice1021@gmail.com. Hope to see you in the chat. There's about 50 people, hoping to see like 100 soon. Or if you're interested in personal consulting, that's on my Instagram as well. So anyways, just want to let you guys know that. Wanted to clear things up. It used to be $50, but now it's $100 because the value in there is crazy. And you can make a lot of money if you really put your mind to it. Alright guys, peace.